So we made it to dirt. We're gonna see how this actually works. I'm about to air down. So I'm gonna be filming this entire thing on my new Hero H, oh, not H9, GoPro 9. I just aired down and I'm starting the trail. Got the new suspension working. It's a little bucky. It's a little bucky, meaning it bucks around just a little bit compared to what the air suspension was before. Am I being super judgmental right now? Maybe a little bit. We'll see when we first take off. But I did think it bucked a bit from before, compared to before. So I am starting the trail. We are about maybe a mile into it. My very first thoughts were it's bucking the shit out of me. But now that I've went out another half a mile, no, a mile up the trail, it doesn't seem quite as bad as I initially thought. At first I was like, I ruined my effing Land Rover. I thought I just ruined it. I thought I destroyed everything I loved about this truck by swapping out the coils. The jury's still out, but I'm not quite as bummed as I first was. So we're gonna try out some hill climbs up here in a minute, and we're gonna see how it does without having the ability to raise the air suspension and losing that ground clearance. Sounds good?
Deep one.
Yeah, that hole got big.
So far, so good. I got really no complaints. I mean, a few small complaints. I don't got the wheel drop I used to. It seems like I'm riding a little lower, but it still climbed the hill. I mean, I'm not a rock crawler, so it doesn't really matter that much, but there's a slight. All right, so we're here east of Big Bear. I tried a couple hills that I tried before with my air suspension, and I definitely can tell that that live axle simulation that the air suspension does by letting air go from one side to the other, it doesn't have the same thing here with the coils. I was freaking tipped up, man. It wasn't the end of the world, just to pick a better line and climb right up. So everything still works. Traction control works fine. My lockers work fine. It's just I don't have the drop that I did before to make to keep my wheels on the ground. So. I just ran the trail from Joshua Tree, the Pioneer Town, up to Big Bear with my new old man Emu Atlantic British, whatever the hell you want to call it, suspension. I'm not angry at myself for changing right now. There is some, it's a lot bouncier. You got a lot more spring load, and then it also you get a lot of bucking than before, not so much wheel drop as well. So we have those things to think about. It's lower. If you can't see right now, I'm bucking up a little bit. The air suspension bucks too, but yeah.